Hello guys and welcome to another OnSign TV expert tips. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace a broken hardware without losing all settings that you have already set to this hardware before. So let's imagine this scenario. You have a hardware in place, everything is working fine, however it breaks down for no reason, right? So you have to replace that hardware. However, as you might imagine, you have already many campaigns published to this player. You have changed many settings of this player, added tags to it. You have its name. And among thousands of players, well, it's hard for you to always keep on changing all the settings, publishing the contents again, and everything like that, right? So what we want here is we want to replace that hardware, passing all those settings of the old hardware, the broken hardware, to the new one, along with the campaigns and playlists that were published. Okay, so let's imagine that the bus 1 hardware is broken. As you can see, we already have one campaign published and it has this tag fleet 2. Alright, so what we want to do is we want a new hardware, right, with the tag fleet 2 and this campaign right here, and its name, of course. Alright, so what are we going to do? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go locally. We're going to install our new player, remove the broken one, install the new one, install OnSign TV, everything that you guys already know, right? And when we launch OnSign TV, we're going to see that that code that goes on the screen, alright? And we are going to use that code right here. So I'm going to click on my player. It doesn't matter, it's offline, it's broken, right? And next step, I'm going to go here to settings, and I'm going to click up here and change device. All right, so when I click on it, it's going to ask me for the same code that we put in when we are setting up a new player. So what we're going to do right now is just copy that code and paste it here. So I'm looking at the code right now on my other screen. So I'm going to type it in here, CV4BNT, and that's all right. Just click here and change device. My player in my other screen right here started downloading already all the settings and campaigns and playlists that have that player had before. And as you can see, my player is already online. It says bus 1, it has the tag, and if I go to campaigns in player, I'm also going to see my campaign right there. So this is how we replace a broken hardware. Remember to first install the new hardware, see the code on the screen, go to your platform, click in players, click on the player you want to replace, then go to settings, alright, and then click and change device and paste that code in. Alright, that was it, guys. This was another OnSign TV expert tips. I'm really happy to see you here again. Hope to talk to you in other videos, and stay tuned. Bye-bye.